Man, I wish I could live in a state where the weather wasn't just super inconsistent. I don't know if we're gonna be able to have safe ice today. We had safe ice last week. Then it just got really warm and started raining. And then last night it got cold again and it started snowing. So we went from having like 2 feet of snow to having no snow. And now we have snow again. And next week it's gonna be all negatives, like -10, -7. So we'll be ice fishing like crazy next week. But anyways, it's a great day. It's a beautiful Sunday. I hope all you guys are having a great day here. Hey, if you're new here, welcome. And maybe consider hitting that subscribe button. We're gonna go check out this pond. If the ice is safe, we're gonna fish. And if it's not, well, we'll figure out what we're gonna do then at that point. So I'm gonna get this auger in Dre's car. I got Dre with me today, my boy. And hopefully we get to slay some fish today. Whoops. All right, moment of truth. You know, we didn't bring a shovel. That probably would have been helpful. Oh, we might be good, guys. This is really good. Look at this. Oh, this is good. This is good ice. No cracking right now. This is not the way to do this, by the way. If you were smart, you'd take a spud bar and hit out in front of you. But I know it's only like 4 foot deep here. Not even. It's probably about 2.5 foot deep where I'm at right now. But if the shallow water's frozen, that means the deeper we get, it should be even better. Oh, dude, we're golden, I think. I'm gonna drill a hole. I got my buddy Dre here. He's gonna drill a hole. I'll film that real quick. We're gonna double check because you don't want to get overconfident and just be stupid, but. I can't even get my hand around it. I mean, I have probably close to 6 inches of ice right now, and now I have a wet sleeve, but that's awesome. Guys, we're fishing. Whoa, baby! I actually think we're gonna change things up. Instead of just doing straight up ice fishing, I think me and Dre are gonna do a little challenge here. It's always fun to just compete against each other, and I got an extra GoPro for the day, so I'm gonna let Dre use it so we can kind of film this. I got mine, he's got his, and this should be interesting. Okay, here's the rules. We're gonna do 1 hour. Panfish, bluegill, like we'll just say bluegill sunfish, 1 point, okay? Largemouth bass, 2 points. Miscellaneous species, you wanna do 3 points? So there's like crappie in here, there's sawguy in here, there's catfish in here, there's carp. So if you come across one of those miscellaneous species, you get 3 points. We'll do 1 hour on the timer once we're all set up and ready. And what, losers gotta buy lunch? All right, losers buying lunch. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna get situated here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 holes drilled. If you wanna drill more holes to catch more fish, you can do that, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoy. This should be interesting, and I'm excited. So to the GoPro, let's go, baby. 1:30, okay? So 2:30, we gotta pack things up and call it a day. All right, I should probably fish. All right, guys, I'll show you exactly what we're doing today too, in case you were curious. We're literally just fishing with night crawlers today. I didn't want to get too complex with it. We got a little ice fishing jig, like these guys right in here. I'll show you the one on my rod. And all we're doing is we're taking just some night crawlers from the local gas station. I mean, we're gonna top these suckers off, and hopefully we catch some bass today. I'm gonna break a piece off. We're going very subtle presentation, not putting a ton of bait on there. All you got to do is put this right in front of those fish's face, and you should be in a good position. And voila, here you go. A little jig. We got 4-pound fluorocarbon ice line on here. I think it's Trilene ice line. And we got my rod set up. I'm putting my gloves on because my hands are freezing. And we are gonna catch some studs right now, I think. I hope. I'm not trying to buy Andre lunch. And I don't, if you guys haven't noticed, like, I'm not that crazy of an ice fisherman because I don't get that much opportunity to do this where I live. You're like, every so often it gets cold enough, so I do the bare minimum as far as gear goes. And I don't use flashers. What I do is I go to a pond that's, for the most part, small enough where I can relate to places that I would fish in the summer. A lot of people think that, you know, fish in the winter time go real deep and they, you know, they just hug the bottom and they're really hard to find, or you got to find them in different places and stuff like that. It's not entirely true. a lot of times you can find most of your fish in pretty much the same places you would catch them in the summer, right off the shoreline, stuff like that, where you would bluegill fish, etc. Not all the time, but the majority of the time that's what I do, and I tend to be somewhat successful with it. So I'm just letting this drop all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna reel it maybe an inch or two off the bottom. I'm gonna leave tension on there, and I'm just gonna jig it a little bit here and there, and hopefully get some fish. Oh, I'm getting bit. Getting bit. Oh, I just got bit. And the party's about to start, buddy. The party is about to start. I found the veggies. I found the fish. All right, update. 1:57. We got approximately a half hour. Well, yeah, pretty much, if we're rounding things up. What I'm gonna try and do here is I'm gonna fish the spot a little bit. It's 1:57, so we got 3 minutes till 2 o'clock. And once we hit 2 o'clock, if I don't get anything, I'm gonna try a different jig. I'm gonna downsize, and I'm just gonna target panfish in particular. And hopefully that's the move. This is go really subtle presentation. I'm gonna drop this in this hole in there. I'm gonna run to the car, grab my other rod, and I'm gonna tie a different jig on. Andre's got one. As I'm talking smack over here, he just caught his first bluegill. So 1-0. All right, 1-0. Shoot, guys. Half an hour left. I'm behind. Right now, I'm buying him lunch. No. Boom, just like that. That right there is candy right there. Bluegill candy. Come on. Here we go. Tied up, baby. Woo! There we go. That's a good gill right there. All right, bye, little guy. Boom. Oh, he's already drilling a new hole. He's giving up on his original hole. A slight adjustment, it's all you need sometimes. That guy whaled it on the way down. 1-1, Dre. Dre's drilling a new hole over here. He's scared. That was the most subtle bite ever. Oh man, you're done, Dre. You're done. You are done. You are done. 2-0. The bite is very subtle. They're hitting it on the way down. Boom, baby. 2. I told you guys. This jig. Oh, you want to come hit? You want to come play, bud? Give you a little scooch back in there. Boop. I think I found him. I'm going all the way back over here. Oh man, there you go, Dre. Okay, we're waking up. I'm gonna do a time check, but I think it's not 2-2. Stealing my spot over there. It's actually 10 till the end of the contest. So right now we're tied 2-2. We might have to go into sudden death or overtime. It's 2:20 right now. All right, let's see. I don't know, can I get another one? Snipe. Uh-oh. I think I'm taking the cake today, Dre. That's still got a minute left. I'm gonna see if I can get another one. What's that? It ain't good enough. What do you mean it ain't good enough? 1 minute? I think it's plenty of time. I do got a tangle on my rod though. That's not good. All right, come on. I think I figured him out. Right here. I'm on him. That's bait right there. What time is it? You got a time check? You think it's 2:30? Oh, 2:31. I don't know if I can count that last one. But 4-2. Hey. How you feel about that? Good game, bud. 1 hour on the ice, we ended up with a total score. I'm gonna say 4-2. I did catch a 5th one, but it was like a minute after the clock, so I'm not gonna count that one. Either way, your boy still got it. Hey, I like challenging people. I like to come out here with my friends just to spice things up and get the start of the fishing going. So we did 1 hour. We did bluegill. Oh, we only got bluegills. I was hoping we'd find some bass or something like that, but unfortunately, they've been few and far between. Even the bluegill bites, not that great. But we're gonna interview the underdog over here.
What's up?
How do you feel, Dre?
He's alright.
He's upset.
I'm devastated.
He's devastated. It's alright, dude. One day. One of these days. No, we're just out here hanging out for fun, though. We want to do a little challenge. I always do little challenges and some. Unfortunately, I tend to come out on top, guys. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I'm just a confident guy. So, looks like I'll be getting free lunch from Dre today, so that's going to be I'm looking forward to that. We are gonna wrap it up. We got out here, we caught a few bluegill. It wasn't as crazy as I expected it to be, but hey, it is what it is. We still had fun, and it's just a really good feeling to know that the ice is finally thick enough to get out and do some serious ice fishing. So this week should have a lot in store if things go as well. But hey, you guys know the deal. If you're new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, go over to Instagram and click that follow button. Just by doing those two things right there, you guys just entered yourself into possibly winning some fishing gear for our 5K giveaway. We're actually getting really close. We're at like almost 4,800 subscribers, something like that. Shout out Dre. Want to say anything, Dre?
Have a good one.
Have a good one, as he would say. So thank you guys so much for watching again, and we had fun today. I'm not complaining. I'm freezing my butt off though, so we're gonna go inside. So peace out.